I don't know what cover-up Senator Alan is talking about. Nung nag-meeting yung Blue Ribbon Committee under Chair Erwin the other week, in fact, nalaman namin na yung 18 ex-bodyguards ay nandun din sa Senate building, sa taas lamang sa office ni Senator Robin, at paulit-ulit silang inimbita ni Chair Erwin na bumaba dun sa Blue Ribbon Committee meeting, pero hindi nila pinaunlakan. Well, sa pagpapatuloy ng mga pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon, sinabi din ni Chair Erwin na iimbitahin sila ulit. And by that time, maoobliga silang humarap, no? I-honor yung imbitasyon para hindi na kailangan silang isabina pa or after a show cause order, ipa-aresto pa ng Blue Ribbon Committee.
The comment was unfair?
Well, dahil sinabi ko nga na dapat in fairness, kaya namang i-recognize ni Senator Alan yung lahat ng ginawa ng mga miyembro ng New Majority, dating chair at kasalukuyang chair ng Blue Ribbon. Ibig sabihin, lacking in fairness yung sinabi niyang iyon about a supposed cover-up. Walang-walang cover-up on the part of the New Majority.